Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix screen resolution not fitting monitor. That means stretch screen fix. Here is a complete step-by-step guide, so let's get started. First you need to match the native display resolution. When a screen looks stretched out horizontally or squished, it means Windows is projecting an incorrect aspect ratio. So first you need to right click on any blank space on your desktop and select display setting. Then you need to scroll down to the scale and layout section. Click the drop down box under display resolution. Select the resolution option that is explicitly say recommended next to it, like this. For 90% of desktop monitors, this will be 1920 by 1080. So select that one. If your previously display resolution is different one, you will see pop-up menu. You need to select keep changes option from that. So the second method is use your monitor's physical aspect ratio buttons. If your Windows settings are completely correct but the desktop taskbar is physically cut off, so you need to pass the plastic edges of your monitor. The issue is your monitor's internal hardware scaling. So look at the bottom or back panel of your physical monitor and find the hardware buttons. Press the menu button to open the monitor's built-in display panel. Look for the setting name aspect ratio, display mode or zoom kind of option. Change the setting from zoom or wide to auto, full or 1:1 pixel mapping. This forces the monitor to fit exactly what is the PC is sending without stretching it. So the next method is you need to fix overscan using your graphic control panel. If you are connecting your PC to HDV via an HDMI cable, TVs naturally stretch the image, hiding your desktop borders. You can force your graphic card to shrink the image to fit. So if you are using NVIDIA graphic driver, you need to right click on your desktop like this and then select NVIDIA Control Panel. In my case there is no that kind of option. Then you need to expand the display menu on the left and click adjust desktop size and position option. Go to the size tab, check the box for enable desktop resizing and click resize option. Adjust the sliders until the green corners align perfectly with the edges of your glass screen. But if you are AMD user, the guidance will be little bit different. So first you need to right click on your desktop and open AMD Software Radeon setting. Go to the setting gear, that is a gear icon, and go to display option. Then you need to locate the HDMI scaling slider. Slide it forward or backward until your taskbar and desktop icons pull away from the edges and snap cleanly into the view. And the next method is you need to toggle the Intel graphic scaling setting. So if you are using laptop or an integrated graphic card, so you need to right click on the desktop and open your graphic command center. And it is, if you are using Intel, it is Intel graphic command center. So you can select the graphic properties option, then after go to display option. Okay, look for the scale or aspect ratio drop down menu. So in this case you can see, yeah, there is a scaling option and you can see resolution options there. Okay, you can see maintain display scaling, maintain aspect ratio, scale full screen, center image kind of things. So if it is set as the centered, you need to select it as maintain aspect ratio or stretch full screen. So just select that one, tap on apply. Okay, you can select the keep changes option. So thank you very much.